I hate gold. Gold is a religion. There's some fundamental value to gold, but everything else, it's a collectible. I see gold and Bitcoin as being the same thing. The value is based off of supply and demand. And the good news about Bitcoin is there's a finite supply that'll ever be created. And the bad news about gold is they'll keep on mining more.
A lot of y'all been asking me about Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? What does it do? How does it work? Is it a Ponzi scheme? What's the cryptocurrency? What is all this? Listen, I've tried to make this as simple as I possibly can. I'm going to continue to do that because I wholeheartedly believe the more people are educated about cryptocurrency, the better it's going to be. We can get rid of a lot of these altcoins. The real coins can rise to the top. And the money that we're making right now is great. But complete adoptability will be across the board, universally on every country and every city in the world through some crypto capacity. I might need to trademark that, crypto capacity. And therefore, we will have a whole new banking system, which I think a lot of us want because the traditional banks get on my goddamn nerves. So I'm going to talk about what Cuban said in this clip. I'm going to talk about gold a little bit, but I'm really going to break down why Bitcoin has a finite number of supply, which means it can eventually stop being produced, and what that means for you and how you can make some money off of it. So if you're somebody that wants to make money off of Bitcoin, you watch this entire video. You're somebody that wants to learn about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in layman's terms, not them nerdy-ass technical terms and the nodes and shit, you need to watch this entire video. I'm going to keep it as simple as I possibly can. But before I do that, hit like, hit share, follow, subscribe, comment, email, text, smoke signal, all that, so we can get that algorithm popping on YouTube and Instagram.
My ducks, my swans, welcome to the pond.
My name is Dorian from Group82University.com, and right here I'm going to talk about Mark Cuban exposing Bitcoin and why it's so special. I hate gold too, Mark. Why? First of all, I think gold's ugly. I just always have. I always liked platinum better. I always liked white gold better when I was younger. I liked sterling silver a little bit better. I just didn't never like gold. It reminded me of the 80s and Mr. T and, you know, boys walking around with the Jerry curl and all the gold necklaces and had the gold teeth. It looked tacky to me. I never really liked gold like that. Shout out to all y'all that do like gold. My personal opinion, I never did. In addition to that, people try to convince me that gold is an investment, and it's not. Well, the fiat currency is backed by gold. I don't give a fuck. I have never in my life been offered gold in exchange for something I was selling, and I've never in my life offered gold for something that I wanted. So that shit is damn near pointless to me. Now, I know there's a whole other industry that y'all want to go and talk about that and argue in the comments about what gold does and how our world's backed by it, blah, blah, blah. You can go do that shit in the comments. Fuck that. I don't fuck with gold. And like Mark Cuban said, they're going to continue to mine it. They're going to continue to find ways to create more gold. Bitcoin is not like that. When Bitcoin was created in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto, he made sure that it had a finite number of supply. What does that mean? That after a certain point, Bitcoin will not be able to be created anymore. As of October 12th, 2001, according to blockchain.com, there has been 18.841 Bitcoins mined in circulation today. What is the hard cap? 21 million. So 18 million have already been taken care of, and we only got 21 million, so there's only 3 million to go. Nearly 90% of all Bitcoin that will ever be available has already been mined, and they're projecting by 2140 that there will be no more new Bitcoin that will ever come out. What the hell does that mean for you? Supply and demand. You don't understand what I'm saying? Watch this clip from Wolf of Wall Street.
Brad, show him how it's done. Boom. Sell me that pen. Watch. Go on.
You sell this fucking pen?
That's my boy right there.
This pen?
Fucking sell anything.
Why don't you do me a favor? Write your name down on that napkin for me?
I don't have a pen.
Exactly. Supply and demand, my friend.
Now, just like this jackass told y'all about the pen and trying to get the sales and blah, 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 supply and demand is the exact same thing here. Because Bitcoin is scarce, it's going to be really rare to get, like the Red Octobers. Shout out to Kanye. The price is going to go up because when things are rare, the price goes up. So right now, Bitcoin's trading $40,000, $50,000, $60,000. I think eventually it's going to dip. And when it does, I think that's when a lot of people should get in. Not a financial advisor. That's just my assumption. Shout out to the Master Investor. He actually gave y'all a date of when that's going to happen. So y'all go follow Ian at the Master Investor on Instagram right now and go see what he said about Bitcoin when it's going to drop. But with that said, if you can get any sort of Bitcoin right now, I suggest that you buy it. Even if you get $1 worth, $5 worth, $10 worth, $20 worth, it might not seem a lot in comparison to how much is out there and how much Bitcoin is going for. But the fact that you'll have a piece of it is no different than if you got a really rare Michael Jordan card or something. You don't know what's going to happen to it down the line, and it doesn't cost you that much money. And Bitcoin has only went one direction over the past 12 years that it's been available. Up. So there's no reason for you not to get invested and not to get involved right now. And this is what cryptocurrency really is. You got some coins like Shiba Inu that has like a quadrillion amount available or something ridiculous, but you see that price is going up. You got some coins that have a hard finite supply, like Bitcoin, that eventually won't be able to be mined anymore. And once Bitcoin isn't mined, the price is going to be ridiculous. So any of us that's holding it right now, that's where we're really gonna make our money. What does mining mean? Do y'all really wanna know? Y'all think I should put in this video? I think I should do this. I think I'm gonna give y'all this stuff in baby steps because crypto is still very early and people are talking about it in a way that's just really boring. I watch people on YouTube or Instagram talk about crypto and that shit puts me to sleep like I'm in my 9th grade chemistry class all over again. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start making little videos about things that are going on inside of crypto so we can understand it. So if y'all want me to do a video on Bitcoin mining, put that in the comments right now. Dorian, I want a Bitcoin mining video. If y'all want to invest in crypto, I do it through Coinbase. I got a link in my bio. I'm gonna put the link in the description. You go to Coinbase right now. You can sign up for free. And when you deposit, put money in there, they're gonna give you $10 of free Bitcoin. You're gonna get Bitcoin for free. Something's gonna go up in value. You're going to get it for free. So once again, act like Kanye gave you the rare shoelaces to his Red Octobers when they came out back in what? 2009. Seems like it was around the same time. You would have held on to that, right? Because eventually you can sell those. It's the exact same thing with Bitcoin. So go click that link in the bio, go download Coinbase, get your free Bitcoin so your family can at least have something down the line once this crypto thing really, really blows up. And you see all these millionaires popping up out of everywhere. So if you're on Instagram, click that link up top. You on YouTube, click that link in the box. Mouth the pond. Y'all stay true.
Group82University.com.